Hey guys, Ryan Delano with Delano Designs here to show you our latest project. It's an exterior renovation here in the heart of Midtown. Doing some paint, doing some doors, some pergolas, 3x6 Caribbean shutters here made in cedar, stained in a red-brown tint to accent the charcoal and black siding that we're going with. Another pergola is going there as well with a 5-panel glass door. It's currently a single panel. Very retro, kind of early 2000s. So we're taking out this stump here and then we're putting in a brick wall to match what's currently here to visually extend the length of the house. And this red brick will look amazing with this charcoal and black paint job. Once again, the two 3x6 Caribbean shutters, we're replacing this entire wall with cement board so it won't rot again like you can see it did down at the bottom. We're going to be doing a 2x2 privacy slat here in cedar along with this fence. They're both going to be stained that red-brown to perfectly accent. You can see this beautiful iron ore paint. The Tricorn black has not yet been applied. This is the cool part, guys. These are going to be accordion doors. One opens out and the other ones fold into each other like origami, all 8 feet wide. So it's going to open perfectly to this green pool right now, but we're going to get that corrected as well. So we're going to enlarge this rather small 48-inch opening to a 72-inch, and it's going to be that same manufacturer with those big metal black doors. Now these doors we're going to expand to a 10-foot span, so it's going to be that accordion door and go all the way over to the side. And then the same story here with these doors. We're going to make these doors into the accordion style, and then they're going to open all the way up so the customer can come directly from his office and dive right into the pool.